Guys, wait, before you upload your next videos, you need to hear this. YouTube just made a major changes that could affect your entire channel. If you're using AI tools, voiceovers or faceless content, your monetization might be at risk. You could lose your income even if you are already accepted into YouTube partnership program. Yes, this is what people call YouTube Monetization Reset, and it's shaking up all platforms for the past few weeks now. YouTube is now going after content that feels mass produced or low effort, content that are produced with all these AI tools and other stuff, even if you have not broken any rules on YouTube before. So if you're a new YouTuber or you're trying to grow fast using tools like ChatGPT, text to speech, stock videos or automated editing, this video is for you. I'm going to show you, number one, exactly what YouTube is changing. Then secondly, what type of videos are getting flagged these days. Then thirdly, I'm going to be showing you 3-step strategies to protect your monetization and still grow fast in this year 2025. And trust me, this is not a joke, right? It's not a theory. I'll break it down in a simple way. You're going to understand it, and you have to take actions today and not lose your hard work after. We all know what it takes for you to get monetized, or what you pass through for you to get monetized on YouTube. So for you not to lose all these things, all this stress, you have to follow this video from start to finish. So if you're serious about building a real YouTube business and making money the smart way, keep watching and let's get into it. So I know some people might be asking what this monetization reset means, or what this monetization reset that everyone is talking about means. Well, YouTube has started to crack down on what they call mass produced content. That means videos that looks or sounds like they were produced with AI or without real human touch, right? You know, some people, they will just use their AI tools, generate something, even with the watermark on it. They will just post it on YouTube without prior editing or trying to remove the watermark, or even editing and putting their face into the video. So YouTube is trying to track down people that does this, because they notice that maybe those people, they don't put enough effort. They just, because AI is making things easy for us these days, so YouTube is trying to track them down. Things like generic voiceovers, text to videos tools, repetitive footage or templates. YouTube says they are doing this to protect their platform, obviously, right? And make sure creators are adding value, because before YouTube pays you a dime, they will make sure that at least you put in your effort in that video before they were able to pay you. Not just jumping out videos with AI tools hoping to make money for very fast. Starting from 15th of July, channels could be flagged or even demonetized if they found out that your channel is not does not have original videos, or your content is considered as low effort or reused. It can be demonetized or flagged, right? And guess what? It's already happening, because two of my friends, they got email the other day that exactly what I'm talking about. That is even why I'm making this video. They got their own email about all this reused content and all those AI generated content, but they took action immediately, because AI made everything easy for us now. But it depends on you to apply wisdom while using those AI tools, not just to go there, use it, download it and pair into your video. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to put in your own effort, edit it, at least put your face, do some physical voicing, not using all the time voiceovers, right? So they were able to do some changes to some of those videos that were pointed out. So if you're among the category of people that are doing this, or if you want to know how to correct those mistakes, you can put it on the comment section, so that my next video will be based on that. So this update I'm dropping now mostly affects new creators or channels that rely on automation, like faceless YouTube videos, AI voiceovers, or videos that don't show who is behind the camera. That is faceless channel, right? It mostly affects them these days. But here is the truth. YouTube is not saying you can't use AI. It's just telling you to apply your wisdom. They are just saying. So if you have been using tools like ChatGPT, Pictory or script generator, it's okay. Me, I use it too, but you have to apply wisdom while using it, right? Don't just do copy and paste. You add your own twist. And now YouTube wants like 3 things from you, even if you're using those AI tools, right? The first thing is original value. You have to be original while creating your content. And the second thing YouTube wants from you is visible effort from the creator. In as much as you're using, or you don't want to show your face, but at least your voice, nothing happens to that. Not all the time. You use a generated voices. Then in one word, that you can flash in your face and flash out. Nobody, as in, it's not a crime, right? So the third thing YouTube is demanding from you is a content that will add value to the viewers, not just something that you just go to YouTube AI. And another mistake people always make, I used to see it a lot, especially from all small creators. They always go to all these AI tools, generate video, even with the watermark pasted on it. They will feel encouraged and post it like that in their channel. It's not right, especially when you're trying to grow. It's not right? So if your video looks like hundreds of other videos out there, it will just underperform. It might get flagged, right? So you have to avoid all these shenanigans, because YouTube this 2025 is not playing. It's not here to play at all. So you have to put in your own effort and allow the algorithm and the YouTube to do their own work. So I'm going to be telling you 3 things you need to do to protect your monetization if you're monetized and still grow fast, or even if you're not monetized, to be on a safer side when you finally monetize. Because sometimes all these problems, you might not see them, but once they just send you message that you have been accepted into YouTube partnership program, you now see problems from left, right and center. All the reused content and all those stuff, they will start popping up messages on emails up and down, right? So all these things I'm going to tell you, if you can apply them on your videos, if you have been making all these mistakes I've been mentioning, then you're safe, right? The first thing I want you to do is to audit your content, right? So you have to go back to your last 10 videos, then ask yourself, did I add voice or commentary, or is it just AI generated voice? Then another thing you have to ask yourself on those your videos, did I use the same visual or script, that is script style, over and over and again and again? You have to check, because sometimes all these things are major problem that YouTube will notice and get your content or your channel flagged or demonetized anyway. Then the third thing you need to ask yourself is, would this stand out from 10 similar channels? If this in your posting, will it stand out if they keep other channels that does the same thing with the one you're doing? Is your own going to stand out? If not, don't panic. You don't need to delete those videos, but you can edit them, upload with improvement, right? Just like I made mention before, if you want to know how to edit already posted videos on your channel, comment on the comment section. Then I'm going to do or make a video based on that. So the second thing, or the second step I want you to take, is to add human elements while uploading those videos. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. In case you're into Faceless channel, you don't have to add your face anyway. Yes, but you can ask yourself, or you can use voiceovers or unique tool. Then another thing you have to do is to customize your intros and transition. You not just copy and paste, right? Then you can also add real examples or real life stories, or even stories to your content, your already generated AI content. Then you can also add a logo or watermark to make it yours. That is your own personal logo or watermark. You can also add it to your videos. If you don't know how to add your personal watermark to your videos, so that every video you upload, it will appear there, also comment on the comment section. Now I'm going to make a video and show you from your YouTube studio how you're going to add it, your watermark, so that whenever you upload a video, even without extra effort of adding it to every video you're upload it is already there. You can, if you see all these our celebrities, their movies, whenever you see their movies, it has their name, it's their own watermark. So if you don't know how to do it, you can also comment so that I will make a video on that. Even if you do 1 or 2 changes based on all these things I just mentioned now, it will signal to YouTube that this content is original. The third step now is to be smart with your SEO and titles. SEO means search engine optimization. So you have to use searchable or real human titles that shows real value. For example, you don't just, maybe you want to upload a video and your title is you just put make money online 2025 with AI. It's just simple like that, and it seems AI generated. So you can as well use how I grew my YouTube channel fast using smart AI tools, monetized in 30 days. You can also use tags like AI content, faceless YouTube channel, that is hashtags. All these things help so that YouTube will not sense it as AI generated, right? So if you're like me that love using tools to save time, and AI is still one of the best way to grow fast if you use them wisely. So AI can help you to write script outline, then add your own personality to it. Then it can also help you in keywords research and optimization and even video ideas. Then it can also help you to speed up your editing, whatever. You can use Opus Clip or Pictory to do your own video editing. So just don't rely on this AI 100%. Make it AI assisted and not AI controlled. You don't have to allow AI to control you, just to assist you to fasten up what you're doing or your content creation journey, right? So this monetization reset might be scary for some people, but honestly it's a good thing because it rewards creators that actually put in their own effort in creating content, right? So I will advise you don't quit and you continue creating your videos, and one day YouTube will reward you for your efforts. So don't just make videos and just use AI to generate and put it there. Put your own human effort. Make it stand out from those generated ones so that YouTube will sense it as original as possible, right? So keep posting your videos, keep making your videos, even if you're into faceless content, keep posting. And please, if this video is helpful or it added value to your channel or to you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And see you guys in my next one. Bye.